Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Hey guys, I'm Andrea and that's Oceana, and today we'll be playing Draw What I Say. So basically, Oceana is going to tell me something and I have to draw it, and I'm going to do the same. But the catch is, I'm going to be telling Oceana what to draw in Spanish and she's going to be telling me what to draw in Mandarin. And we don't speak those languages. Well, I don't speak Mandarin, she doesn't speak Spanish. So this should be fantastic. So we're going to have 2 rounds. First round, I'm gonna give her a shape and a color just to see, how we're doing, where we're at. So yeah, wish us luck, and then the roles will be reversed, obviously. And yeah, let's get started. So,
Okay.
Oceana, are you ready?
I am. Maybe, I think. I don't know.
Hey, from here on onwards, I'll just speak to you in Spanish. So long, dear friend.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Quiero que dibujes un cuadrado rosado.
Okay.
I'll make it easier. I want you to draw a cuadrado rosado.
Okay, so rosado sounds like red. Something sounds like square. So red square.
Okay, next.
Okay. I'm proud of my decision.
I want you to draw a estrella amarilla.
Purple, maybe? I've never heard of this word before, so I think it's purple. And then estrella sounds like straight. So straight line. Boom. Straight line. Straight purple line.
And final shape. Okay, I want you to draw una flecha verde.
Flecha or something. Okay, I feel like verde is blue because it kind of sounds like green, which is like verde or something, and I feel like green and blue are similar. So. And then el fueche or something. I don't know. The only other one is circle, so I think it's circle. I mean, I guess there's triangle too, but it doesn't sound like triangle, so.
Okay, Oceana, I have one more challenge for you. I want you to write down as close as you can how you think each thing is. Okay, so we're gonna start with your first shape, which you chose the red rectangle, okay?
Okay. This is huge.
That's what she said.
This is gigantic. What the heck? Why is it not working?
Professor
Oh, no.
Oceana.
Okay,
Professor
never
Oceana seems like won't work out.
So, okay. Rosado. Boom. Genius.
Oh, you're not gonna get this. Okay, estrella
Yeah.
amarilla.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and last one.
I like how I'm alternating the colors. Okay, next one should be purple.
Okay, flecha
Flecha. No, wait, hold on. Flecha.
verde.
What?
Verde.
But that's green.
That's what I said. Yes.
You said something different.
No, I didn't. It's okay. You can change it if you want. I will let you change the shape color.
It's definitely green. Okay, hold on. How do I change the shape color?
Oh,
Oh, where did it go? Oh no.
oh, the other one disappeared too. What are you doing?
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Okay. Can I just say I am so impressed. The second one, you spelled it right. I'm impressed. But
Listen,
it actually
I took like basic Spanish classes, so I didn't do too bad. I didn't do too bad. I'm proud. I'm proud of myself. Thank you.
Okay, so now that we saw what Oceana did, it's my turn to see how well I can guess Mandarin. But because Mandarin is two different, Miss Oceana is gonna teach me a little bit of Mandarin before we start to make sure, you know, I don't just draw like a triangle, a sad triangle. So, yeah, teacher Oceana, take it away.
So I guess I'll be teaching first the numbers 1 through 5. I feel like that's all you need. Hold on! Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna write them how I hear it, okay? Yeah, okay. So yeah, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay, sure. And then we have primary colors, the rainbow colors. So, okay, like Roji Bib? Yeah. Hong. Cheng. And this color could also be called Ju, which I might say. Orange? No, depend. Or yellow? Ju. Orange. Huang. Wow, I really can't read that. And then next is Lu. Like Lu, like that? Or like Lu? I can tell you. Okay, fine. I'm just trying to be okay. I killed it. As you can see, yeah, sure. Right, yes. Next is Lan. Okay, so I'll just do purple, right? Perfect. That's perfect.
So,
Oh, do I need
number
black?
1. Honestly, if it's not on the list, then it might be black or white. So,
Okay, well, I don't think you would give me white given I have a white paper.
watch me give you a white. Number 1. 紫色的圆圈.
Okay, I'm gonna say it's purple because I got that part. Can you say the shape again? Or what I think?
圆圈.
You know that UN gives me really like a round sound, so I'm just gonna say circle.
Okay.
And that's that. That's an oval, but it's okay, you get it.
Okay. Next is 黄色的线.
Okay, yellow, I think. You were changing it, but okay. Yellow. Say it again.
线.
You know, straight and to the point, that's a line.
Okay, next. Okay. 黑色的三角形.
None of the colors were said there, okay? None of the colors. Now I'm thinking that it's shape color too. Like I'm confused because I heard the purple, but then I also heard like other stuff.
I'll say it again. 黑色的三角形.
You're saying like hello, you're saying hey. Can you stop saying hey? Can you tell me what You know, 三角形, that's a shape that's 3 parts, that's a triangle. None of the colors. None of the colors. You said none of these colors. We agreed to these colors. That was not one of them.
That could, right, but that could mean, you know, like the
Okay,
basic
fine.
colors that we talked about.
It's okay, beautiful triangle. We love that.
紫色. I love this spelling. Wait, you forgot it. The 紫色的圆圈. 黄色 的线.
的线
the 线.
Or Xian. It's an N.
Yeah.
But this is like a this is not do. It's like a duh. It's like a we need the H again. But it's a soft H.
Okay. 黑色.
Hey. Z.
The 三角形.
All this duh.
Okay.
That's it. That's my beautiful best guess.
Can I say? Oh, if we don't consider the terrible spelling, you actually got it all right.
You're joking.
I was so surprised that you got the shapes right. I was so surprised. I'm not even joking. I'm so surprised. Oh my god. Are
Yay.
you really fluent?
I haven't learned Chinese for the past 10 years in like my hideout bedroom while I sleep. It's a subconscious thing. So, in a turn of events, oh how the turntables, I did pretty darn good, I would say. Feeling proud. But yeah, that's all for this video. This will be part 1. We'll be coming back with part 2, which we'll be actually drawing like something out of the shapes, out of the basic shapes. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for coming. Bye.
Bye.